Moving average is a very old technical indicator, but it still remains a popular tool for many traders. With MT4 multi-timeframe, MTF, you can see the indicator's status across multiple timeframes in one table. This can be helpful when you want to have an at-a-glance view of the overall situation with moving averages for your trading instrument. What is MT4 multi-timeframe indicator? MA multi-timeframe for MetaTrader 4 is a great indicator to see the overall trend of an asset. With this indicator, you can see the status of a moving average for all timeframes on one chart. The indicator features a simple table where you can see whether the price is above or below its MA for each timeframe. On the chart, you can also see whether the moving average is currently pointing downwards or upwards in all timeframes. Why is MT4 multi-timeframe useful? When you check a moving average of the price in MetaTrader, you look at it on some specific timeframe. It is sometimes useful to know what is its status for different timeframes in order to have a better understanding of the market situation. If, for example, you check the trend on an H1 chart, it might be giving a bullish signal. However, checking the moving average on a D1 chart could give a bearish signal. MA multi-timeframe for MT4 allows you to see moving average status for all timeframes in a single place. You can simplify your visual representation and know if an asset or a pair is overall bullish or bearish. You can use this indicator to improve your entry and exit signal decisions. The indicator also includes a feature to alert you if the trend changes. TF moving average is an index that can display the moving average line of a certain hourly bar on a chart of smaller hourly bars. Feature: 4 lines multi-time frame simple moving average. MA type are simple, exponential, time series, triangular, vidya, weighted, wild or smoothing. Each lines can be independently changed in time frame and period. Color, style and thickness can be changed. The moving average 3 colors MTF indicator for MT4, MetaTrader 4, can be categorized as a complete forex system that's built up of 3 colored moving averages. The indicator is MTF enabled by default. Feel free to experiment with different time frames. Buy and sell signal. Go long when the candlestick crosses all moving averages bottom up, strongly bullish. Go short when the candlestick crosses all moving averages top down, strongly bearish. The indicator can be used as a standalone trading tool for both trade entry and exit. It can also be used as an additional trend filter that works together with an existing strategy of system of your preference. The indicator works equally well on all currency pairs, majors, minors and exotic, and shows promising results if used correctly. Moving average is a very old technical indicator, but it still remains a popular tool for many traders. With MT4 multi-timeframe, MTF, you can see the indicator's status across multiple timeframes in one